I didn't say that. Dwayne, did I say that?
Yeah.
But
Read it off.
they have trash can.
So how do you go about eating it?
All right, so what's going on here is that a man Dwayne said that he would eat something called Balut. It's Balut, yeah. It's a Philippine delicacy,
Yeah.
and he's cracking it.
Are you gonna try
Come on,
it?
give him some room. Give him some room.
You sip the soup.
Yeah, you have to sip that.
It's good. It's good.
Like,
That's a video.
You put it.
Put a little salt.
You
no.
that way.
That's very Yeah.
Yeah, so my man Dwayne. Dwayne ain't afraid of nothing. He's from Panama.
Let's see the bird first. Let's see the. Get in there and take
Come on, you gotta give him some room. Give him some room. He's trying to eat his balut. He said it's real tasty. Tastes good. Ooh, he said it's good.
Let's see what you're eating.
Just crack it open. Help him crack it open. Help him crack it open.
Get a picture of that.
We'll use that.
Zoom in real close.
Open it.
Okay, so we're gonna crack this right now.
Open it.
You can post it on Facebook.
Okay.
Brave around the night.
So they eat the whole thing.
Don't go, Vijay.
Wow.
Stay here.
What are we looking at? The back? The back.
Probably I would say the back. Yeah, the bottom.
I think that's
The
the
yolk.
yolk, right?
Yeah.
Melvin, you're next.
That's
It's
what
like partially fertilized.
Serious.
Yeah, Randy's next.
John
You sip
think
the
John is
soup.
next, no?
Embryonic.
Put a
Wow.
little salt on
Nice,
Delicious.
nice, right?
Delicious.
Do the whole thing. Do the whole thing.
Yeah.
You just eat the whole part?
Kevin,
Everything
you're
tastes
next.
better with
Pick it up and bite it. Pick it up and throw it in your mouth.
Come on, that's good.
You open it.
It's good. It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can eat that.
Eat that.
That's good.
That's good. It's like boiled egg.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to pick that whole thing up and eat it,
It's
baby.
like boiled egg.
the whole
Nice.
thing out.
Just do it one time and just
struggle to stop him eating the rest now.
the slowness ain't gonna work. You gotta just throw it in.
Just eat like an egg, man. No big deal.
Just like just an egg.
Yeah, the egg.
You'll see the chick there. Chick is different.
Where's the chicken?
Fresh. Later.
Later. Few more, few more.
I wanna see the chick, man. I wanna see the
Crack
chick.
crack the shell.
Take out that white one.
This one?
Yeah.
Yep.
That's
Don't
some
eat that.
You can take it out. You
Yeah,
don't
I
eat
mean,
Eat that.
I'm
It's,
leaning more
hard.
towards becoming
Yeah.
a vegetarian every minute.
Yeah, there you
You
go.
can see the chick now.
Yeah, that's it.
Eggs better than
eyes.
All right, here we go. Now we can see the little chick head, little chick, the beaks and all that. Yeah, there we go.
There you go.
There
There you go. And you have to eat that one.
Chicken is growing right there.
Which part? This part?
Yeah.
Yeah, all of them except the white one.
There you go, little chick. Let me see the little beak. Where the beak at? Let me see the beak, man. Show me the face.
That's really good.
Oh yeah, they got a face and everything.
Oh,
You got a face and
man.
beak. Just go ahead. Just drop it in. Drop it do one bit. You wanna eat that? You wanna
That's it.
eat that with the eat it with the yellow part too together so it give it some taste. I'm not gonna know how to do
Eat
it.
everything.
It's not that bad, but serves.
It's not that bad, I think.
Melvin, you're next.
Negative.
Why don't you try it?
Get some
Negative.
salt. Really? You can eat the entire thing.
I'll do it, but I'll make sure that I'll throw up on you though. Is that okay? I'll throw up on you.
It's even smaller than the rest of the balloon.
Yeah, this one's actually 17 days old. That's what's pretty.
It's good. It's
There we
better
go.
than the One,
There you go.
2, 3.
Woo!
Yummy, right?
My nigga Dwayne, baby.
It's tasty, right? Yeah.
Yay!
Next.
Next.
How does it taste?
Never. Oh, it
Crazy man
stinks.
thing.
I see that thing. It stinks. Come on, you got to put it down. You got to put it down. Come on, I want to see you swallow that, homeboy.
He's going in there to throw up.
He ate it right. He ate it right. Dwayne's a trooper. There we go, man. Balut.
They show it on Fear Factor.
They do?
Yeah.
That's disgusting.
Almost every season, Fear Factor you see 4 times.
This is the man right here that brought this nasty ass balut and eggs and all that shit in here. Disgusting.
So we're gonna leave some for you.
Melvin.
Not for me. For you. Go ahead. Ew.
She will not give one to me
Grab a couple
because
of
she knows I'm used to it.
Disgusting. Not me.
To be able to cover everything.
Yeah,
No,
I
no,
got-
no. Regarding that spreadsheet link.
Yeah,
That,
what's up?
The problem is whenever you hit on refresh,
Mm-hmm.
most of the data on the Excel says I
Talking about this
cannot-
issue or the spreadsheet link issue? Something
spreadsheet
different.
link issue.
Oh, I don't know about that one. You told Dwayne about that, didn't you?
Yeah, but I don't know if I told the customer the right thing. It is because of the data feed is not being sent out properly. The reason it is an item not expired. And whenever he tried to refresh or pressing the refresh button once again, it gives out the data.
Okay.
So
it
it's just like a delayed data or something. Do you think that really happens?